Hey, it's Gina with WTI. I have never owned a real butcher block cutting board like this before. I'm so impressed with how solid it is, how beautiful it is, and this is a completely original and unique design from Sonder, LA. It has so much depth of color and design. I'm even seeing some kind of indigo colors in with the wood, and this teak is just absolutely gorgeous, and I'm obsessed with it. I really like that one side has a groove in it that holds actually up to 3.5 ounces of liquid. So as you're cutting tomatoes or meat or something else that's really juicy, it will collect in that groove instead of spilling all over your countertop. One of the other features that I really like is that there are handles cut into the sides, especially when you are wanting to present this or use this as a charcuterie board. This board is going to need a little bit of TLC every 3 weeks or so. You're going to want to treat it with a beeswax oil blend, and actually the company has their own that you can get. When you oil it, be sure to include the sides as well as the front and back to ensure the durability of the board. Every time you use it, you're also going to want to wipe it off on the front and the other side to keep consistency with color, and then immediately dry it off with a towel and place it up to dry. It comes in a really beautiful box, and again, these are one of a kind. This is the Vincent board, and they have lots of other boards in their collection as well. You can't go wrong with one of these Sonder LA boards for yourself or as an amazing gift for someone. They will not stop thanking you. I really love it, and that's my point of view.